Understanding Worm Factory, an English language explainer. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, worm factory. This might sound unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in a conversation. So, let's get started. Worm factory is a compound noun made up of two words, worm and factory. A worm is a small, long, soft-bodied invertebrate animal, often found in soil. A factory, on the other hand, is a building or group of buildings where goods are manufactured or assembled. When combined, these words create a new meaning, which we'll explore in the next section. In its literal sense, a worm factory refers to a place where worms are bred or raised, usually for composting or fishing purposes. However, it can also have a figurative meaning. Figuratively, it can describe a situation or place that is teeming with activity, especially of a repetitive or an interesting kind. It can imply a busy, bustling environment, sometimes with a negative connotation. To better understand worm factory, let's see it in some example sentences. 1. Literal use. My uncle runs a worm factory to produce natural compost for his garden. 2. Figurative use. The office felt like a worm factory, with everyone typing away monotonously at their desks. When using worm factory, be careful not to confuse its literal and figurative meanings. It's also important not to use it in a way that might be misunderstood as derogatory, especially in professional settings. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, worm factory, confidently in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, English is full of interesting phrases like this, and learning them can be both fun and enriching. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.